John. Tonight I'm going to bring you the monkey defense. So we have a very fast interception this time. I think it can be done in a single second rather than the 2-second rule that I try to follow. And the move borrows directly from Tai Chi, in which there's a move called gather disperse, in which if we're being pushed, then we turn our right foot out at the heel as we do an inward-outward parry, and then as we return the foot, then we clear and push. Right, so the Tai Chi is gather, disperse. All right, so we're not going to use the foot movement, but rather just the inward-outward gathering part. Okay, so as our opponent comes in for a push or grab, and him being right-handed, as 85% of our opponents are, we'll be stepping in with the left and coming at us like so. So that as we see the hands come in, and we come out of our humble stance, which is a right fist covered by a soft palm, which hides our intent and our fear of the conflict. So the hands come in, and we step at our 45-degree bow stance, get out to the side, and we do small circle up. And then a small circle out. All right. In the monkey defense, our hands are just outside his right arm, which is here. We've cleared it out of the way. We're going to grab his armpit front and back and light him up electrically with a pincher action. All right. And then crescent step into him with our knee approaching his groin, but we're going to extend our arms at the same time and dump him back. He should lose his balance into his reverse triangulation. So I'll show you what that looks like for him. So he comes in, he gets his arms cleared out to the side, he gets grabbed. So his right shoulder is going to come up, trying to get away from that. He's already off balance, he's locked up here. And then as we do our crescent step into him and we push, I can't even keep my balance showing you. So he's dumped in a 30, 60, 90 triangle. It's reverse triangulation to that corner. It's going to crash into the coffee table. Unless we're very nice about it and we control his descent by continuing to step with him lower and lower. So we need really good quads strength in our legs and healthy knees, and to keep our back aligned if we're going to keep him from serious damage. So the 3 speeds of the monkey defense I've actually named this monkey play in the spirit of colorful Tai Chi names, since I took the move from Tai Chi. practice speed. And the application speed for monkey play. This is very fast. Now there is an option for this. This is for taller defenders who can easily reach over the top of their opponent's grab. So I call this the simian smash, and it ends up being one of the nastiest things that I've developed. So it starts the same, with the same hand clearing action, and then we come to a horse stance where we're straight up to our opponent, straight facing him at our 45-degree angle, but we're square up to him. All right, so we turn on the balls of our feet when we get there. Pretty easy. And then the hands come front and back, and palm strikes to the face and back of the head. Probably be safer for us to slap the back of his neck and not his skull. Break his nose and slap his neck. If we want to be very bad about it, we can do ridge hand strikes front and back and then target his throat. But I would hope that you feel that you're mortally threatened before you do something like that. So the simian smash. So we're using our pec strength, right? And just reaching out and coming in. Practice speed. And the application speed for the simian smash. It's the monkey defense. Thank you. I wish you peace.